I work in a call center in Mumbai, doing customer service for Louis Vuitton online. It mostly entails getting yelled at by Americans who are missing packages, damaged merchandise, or wrong orders. Billing. Billing address. Yes, billing. Sometimes they have a hard time understanding my accent, which can sometimes make them red, white, and blue with anger. Oh, how I dread those calls. But still, every now and then, a customer calls. I can hear a longing in their voice. Many simply call just to talk to someone. I almost feel like a therapist. May I have your first and last name, please?
Hi, I'm Melania Trump. Yes, like the gold buildings.
She talked for hours. She bought about $200,000 worth of handbags, and many a times she would just put in the wrong address, just so that she could talk.
Oh, did I say the red house? I meant the White House.
Then just like that, she stopped calling.
I'm gonna get some extra pav. You want some?
What?
I'm gonna get some extra pav. You want some?
Sameer, how long are we going to sit here on the sidewalk and keep eating Bhurji Pav? I want to go to America one day.
Dude, don't diss Bhurji Pav. Everyone in Mumbai loves Bhurji Pav. I'd say people all over India love Bhurji Pav. Also, what are you gonna do in the US?
I don't know. Maybe I'll go do something fancy in America. Maybe I'll be a planning director for an airport.
Yeah, right. And I'll open a cooking website called Khal.com. Dude, these are just dreams. Moreover, if you go to the United States, where will you have Bhurji Pav? I love Bhurji Pav. I know you love Bhurji Pav. And in Mumbai, no matter what time it is, you can go anytime in the night and you can have Bhurji Pav. Where are you going to get this in the United States?
Hell no, I can make really good Bhurji Pav.
You can? How?
Of course, I can make it happen. Let me show you how. To make egg burji, you need very basic ingredients. Eggs, onions, tomatoes, salt, butter, black pepper, some red chili powder, turmeric, and some cilantro for garnishing. And very important, you need a pav. This is a regular bread, just shaped differently. You can substitute this with a dinner roll. Let's start by adding butter to the pan. Now I'm adding onions to the mix. Saute the onions till it's light brown. Let's add salt to this onions so that they get softer much sooner. Now that the onions are turning light brown, let's add a little bit of black pepper. Now it's time to add some tomatoes in the mix. Now that we've added tomatoes to the mix, let's let it simmer for 15 minutes. Let it cook. While it's cooking, we'll add a little bit of turmeric so that it gets cooked as well. Again, very little. That's good. And we'll add a little bit of red chili powder. You can start stirring it. Love the beautiful color. Let's saute it for 3 to 5 minutes, and we'll keep it on low flame. I'll try to mash it slightly so that once we add the eggs to the mix, you don't feel too much of these big tomato chunks. Now that we've added eggs to the pan, let's start stirring it slowly. So ready. Egg bhurji is ready to go. I've added cilantro as garnish. It should be of this consistency, and I guess that's it. Okay, bring it to the side. Let the juices from the egg stay in there. Now it's time to fry the bread in butter. We flip it over.
Wow!
We have our street side Bhurji Pav ready. Let's see how it tastes. Wow. I'm finally going to the US. If you like my recipe, hit the like button. If you made this recipe, click on the I made it button and add your pictures. I'll see them when I'm in the US. And don't forget to share this recipe with your family and friends. Until then, see you.